Wednesday, 10 o'clock in the morning, the chairman of Global Compassion, Reverend Suliasi Kurulo, opened the Global Compassion Food Distribution Center here at the World Harvest Center in Kinoya, Masino. So today, Thursday, about 3.5 tons of food rations have been boxed, ready for distribution on Friday morning at 8 o'clock to the people who've been affected by the cyclone Evans that are staying in Naitasiri, in the evacuation centers in Naitasiri. Global Compassion is a ministry, is a compassionate arm of Christian Mission Fellowship based here in Kinoya, Suva. And for us, it is what we do in thinking of people who've been affected by the cyclone, people who have lost their homes, people who have lost their farms, people who have lost their belongings, that as we take food to them, it is our prayer that they will be comforted during this time of hardship as they go through. So Global Compassion will be continuing to pack food during this festive season, and hopefully we'll be able to provide food relief to people who are affected by the cyclone. Also, we are looking at companies and businesses in the Suva area who would like to help in feeding the people. We have a heart of generosity, that you could bring your donations here to World Harvest Center, Food Distribution Center, at the corner of Culture Road and Kings Road, where we'll be able to compile and transport food items to people who are very much in need during this time, during their hour of need.